Ride in through 5 o'clock today. We have our Vespa Open House until 5. Ton of Vespas on sale. Some great new models. We have electric models. And we have limited edition models too, such as this Mickey Mouse Primavera 150 from Vespa. So lots of great stuff today. Our Vespa Open House through 5. Lou just came down and actually took a test ride on this Vespa, interested in it for his wife. So come on down and check them out. We got all kinds of brand new models. We got a couple of pre-owned in stock too. And we have the brand new 946 limited edition. So open house through 5 o'clock at Blackmans Cycle, 4911 Buckeye Road in Emmaus, PA. Get here with Vespa and Blackmans Cycle. 610-965-9865, call or text.